Welcome to our channel where we explore chic and elegant home decor ideas that will transform your living space into a stylish haven. Today we're diving into sophisticated designs that combine. Let's begin with the foundation of any chic space, a neutral color palette. Think soft shades of white, beige, and gray. These tones create a serene, calming backdrop that lets your decor truly stand out. Layer in cozy textures like area rugs, linen curtains, and plush velvet cushions to add depth and comfort. Next, turn your attention to minimalistic furniture. Choose pieces with clean lines and subtle sophistication. A sleek, modern sofa paired with a timeless coffee table can instantly elevate your living room. Remember, in a chic setting, less is always more. While minimalism sets the tone, incorporating a few statement pieces is essential. A grand, ornate mirror or an artistic chandelier can serve as the stunning focal point of the space. These unique elements infuse personality and a touch of luxury into your decor. And of course, don't forget the beauty of bringing nature indoors. Another hallmark of elegant design is the inclusion of nature. Consider adding indoor plants, fresh flowers, or even a small indoor fountain. These natural elements not only beautify your space, but also create a calming and refreshing atmosphere. Lighting plays a pivotal role in setting the mood of any room. To create a beautifully layered ambience, combine ambient, task, and accent lighting. Elegant sconces, stylish floor lamps, and chic table lamps not only enhance the functionality of your space, but also add a touch of sophistication. When it comes to details, don't underestimate the power of decorative accessories. Vases, sculptures, and plush pillows can inject personality into your decor. Choose pieces that resonate with your personal style, while seamlessly complementing the overall theme of your home. Lighting plays a pivotal role in setting the mood of any room. To create a beautifully layered ambience, combine ambient, task, and accent lighting. Elegant sconces, stylish floor lamps, and chic table lamps not only enhance the functionality of your space, but also add a touch of sophistication. When it comes to details, don't underestimate the power of decorative accessories. Vases, sculptures, and plush pillows can inject personality into your decor. Choose pieces that resonate with your personal style, while seamlessly complementing the overall theme of your home. An important aspect of creating a space that not only reflects your personal style, but also provides comfort and functionality. Chic and elegant home decor is all about blending sophistication with simplicity, ensuring that your living space is both stylish and welcoming. This essay explores a variety of creative ideas to help you achieve a chic and elegant home, focusing on essential elements such as color palettes, furniture, statement pieces, natural touches, lighting, decorative accessories, organization, and outdoor spaces. The foundation, neutral color palettes. At the heart of chic and elegant home decor is the use of a neutral color palette. Shades of white, beige, gray, and soft pastels offer a serene, timeless backdrop for any room. These versatile hues make it easy to refresh your space by simply swapping out accents and accessories. Neutral tones also enhance the sense of space, making rooms feel larger and more open. By starting with a neutral base, you can layer in a variety of textures and subtle patterns to create a sophisticated and harmonious environment without overwhelming the senses. Minimalistic furniture. Less is more. Incorporating minimalistic furniture is essential for creating a chic, elegant space. Choose pieces with clean lines, simple silhouettes, and subtle charm. A sleek sofa, a classic coffee table, and streamlined chairs can beautifully define your room. The less is more approach helps create clutter-free spaces that feel calm and organized. High-quality, timeless furniture not only offers durability, but also adds to a cohesive, polished look throughout your home. Statement pieces, adding personality. Minimalism sets the stage, but statement pieces add personality and a touch of luxury. Bold elements like ornate mirrors, dramatic chandeliers, or unique artwork act as striking focal points. When balanced thoughtfully, they enhance your decor with depth and style, without overwhelming the space. A well-placed statement piece can elevate the overall aesthetic, making your home feel curated and stylish. Natural elements help in bringing the outdoors in. Incorporating natural materials and textures adds warmth, depth, and a sense of tranquility to your living space. Incorporating natural elements is another hallmark of elegant design. Indoor plants, fresh flowers, and organic materials like wood and stone bring warmth, life, and a sense of tranquility into your home. These natural touches not only elevate the aesthetic but also create a calming atmosphere. Plants, in particular, do more than just beautify your space. They also help purify the air, making your home feel fresh, vibrant, and truly alive. Quality and create a calming atmosphere. Consider adding a variety of indoor plants, from large potted trees to small succulents, to bring life and freshness into your space. Bringing natural elements into your home adds energy and warmth, while also softening the sharp lines of modern furniture. The result is a perfectly balanced, welcoming environment that feels both fresh and serene. Lighting, creating ambience. Lighting plays a key role in achieving chic and elegant home decor. A thoughtful combination of ambient, task, and accent lighting adds layers to your space, enhancing both its function and visual appeal. Elegant sconces, stylish floor lamps, and charming table lamps bring in warmth and sophistication. To elevate the mood even further, consider installing dimmers, allowing you to adjust the lighting to suit any time of day or atmosphere. The mood you wish to create depends heavily on well-placed lighting. Well-placed lighting can highlight architectural features, artwork, and other decor elements, adding depth and dimension to your rooms. Decorative accessories are the finishing touches that bring the space together. Decorative accessories are the final layer that truly pulls your decor together. Vases, sculptures, throw pillows, and artwork all bring personality and charm to your space. Choose pieces that complement your overall theme and color palette, and don't be afraid to mix textures and materials. The right accessories can effortlessly elevate a simple room into a chic, elegant retreat. Personal elements like family photos or treasured souvenirs from your travels add warmth and character, making your home uniquely yours. Organization, a clutter-free sanctuary. A chic home isn't just about looks, it's also about how it feels. And that starts with organization. Stylish storage solutions, such as woven baskets, sleek shelving, and decorative boxes, help keep clutter at bay while maintaining your aesthetic. A well-organized home feels more peaceful, more elegant, and far more inviting. Invest in storage that's both functional and beautiful, to create a space that's tidy, serene, and sustainable. Regular decluttering and intentional organization keep your home feeling fresh and refined. Extending elegance outdoors. Don't stop indoors. Carry your sense of style outside. A chic patio or balcony complete with cozy seating, ambient lighting, and lush greenery creates a seamless transition from your indoor sanctuary to the open air. Thoughtful touches like outdoor rugs, decorative planters, and soft textiles make your exterior spaces just as stylish and comfortable as your interiors. This outdoor extension adds to the overall harmony of your home's design and invites you to enjoy elegance in every corner. Furniture and decorative plants can transform your outdoor area into a chic retreat, perfect for relaxation and entertaining. In conclusion, achieving a chic and elegant home is about blending simplicity with sophistication by focusing on neutral color palettes. By combining minimalistic furniture, eye-catching statement pieces, natural elements, thoughtful lighting, and well-chosen decorative accessories, along with smart organization and extending your decor to the outdoors, you can create a living space that feels both stylish and truly welcoming. These inspiring ideas will help you turn your home into a haven of chic elegance, beautifully reflecting your personal style while offering both comfort and functionality. With these chic and elegant home decor ideas, you're just a few steps away from transforming your space into a stylish sanctuary you'll love coming home to. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more design tips and inspiration. Thanks for watching.